Best retweets iOS 11, 12, 13, 14. The first tweet is called Notify Headers. Get iOS 10 notification headers on iOS 12. For Barrage, where it's up to 12 to 14 points. This is called Lend My Phone 4. And pretty much a tweet that allows you to lend your phone to someone. And so if you have annoying parents or friends, they don't use your phone too often. So this is like a guest mode. You have hidden apps, control center, icon editing, and multitasking notification center, spotlight. So yeah, it's a perfect app. Perfect tweet to install if you guys do have friends who wanna, or family that wants to see your phone a lot or borrow it. KB Stretcher, and it's a standalone tweet implementing the same keyboard layout as Rescale 2. It's to choose to use a different resolution changing tweak, and suffer from a shifted keyboard. This tweak stretches out your keyboard to an appropriate size. If you have set a custom screen resolution to your device. Next tweet is called Stretcher, and force apps to use full screen on the iPhone X. Next tweet is called Rescale 2, my favorite tweets, and works the best. Supports iOS 9 to 14, iOS 8 supports untested, and allows you to change your screen resolution of your iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. So it supports every resolution of devices that run iOS 8 or later. Emojis, iOS 15.4, and iOS 15.4 Facebook emojis. WhatsApp, all-in tweak for WhatsApp Messenger. Supports iOS 9 to 14. Your privacy features, protection features, status features, chat list, general, media, user interface, notifications, theme, message scheduler, auto reply, high chats, content spoofing, custom tones, stickers manager. SF compact rounded, and system-wide fonts it gives you. Pro, iOS 13, and system-wide MyWord Pro font. Also another font tweak. This is called UPIP, enables native picture-in-picture in the YouTube app. Gummy, and it's a very colorful icon pack for iOS device. YouTube dislike, bring back dislikes on YouTube. This is called Weather Date, show weather info on lock screen and stock weather app icon. Called Horarius, and it's beautiful and colorful iOS theme. She's got M4, it's macro processing language, applications. Also have Checkra1n Lite, so it's a light version of Checkra1n. Only allows you to do one container or app at a time. And banners from the notch. Music Ultimate and YouTube Music Premium features and more. Auto full screen, and make your video full screen on plane. Week is called YTAB goodies and forced useful YouTube features that are otherwise. So this is a spin of tweet, guys. So you may get to see it while others don't, and vice versa. This week will enable or disable those features in a way useful to this or useful to you. It places the following tweets. So yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you guys next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.